So that keeps it pretty full. And then to get our secret layers in here, all we have to do is when we elevate, just come in and cut in between. And what that's gonna do is it's going to create these little bit smaller pieces in there, but it's not like taking up an entire section and literally taking all of it out. It's allowing us to come in to some of these sections and add in these secret layers. So we go here, I put the blade in the hair like this, and I half close just a little bit to add a little bit of those secret pieces in there to help give me some volume, to give me some texture in the cut, and it still looks nice and full. So I'll do that all around, sliding here, adding in those secret layers to the cut. So here, come on up. And you gotta do it on dry hair because wet hair is too clumped together. So then you'll end up with chunks in it. You don't want chunky layers, remember? Talked about that. Fine hair is not good with chunky layers. So just continue all around the head, add in these secret layers to the cut. Run my hands through, finish it with a little hot off the press. This is really what I want you guys to see, is this back and how full it looks. Do you feel like this is thick? Do you see the benefits of it? Let me know in the comments below, please. Thank you guys very, very much. All of you guys are awesome. I can't thank you guys enough for being a part of the FSE community. I will see you guys soon, okay?